This is Novotunity Shop I channel. We are here at Lucas Moripo Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Royal AM 1. Good evening, boy. How are you?
Good.
Good. What's your name?
Letabo.
Letabo.
Yes.
Do you like football?
Yes.
Good. How do you feel about the game tonight? Your team has won.
It was very good, and the man of the match that I feel of that was great is all of the players.
Yeah. Who was the man of the match?
Shalulile.
Shalulile. We saw that. He also scored the goal. And then do you think on the first, because you are playing with Pirates in the final, do you think you will win that final?
Yes.
What score?
99 knots.
It's a lot. Who's gonna score those goals?
Zwani and Shalulile.
Yeah, he's gonna score 99 goals.
And the thing that I love to say is I want to play for Sundowns for 9 years.
Are you 9 years?
No.
Oh, you want to play for them for 9 years?
Yes.
Okay. And then how old are you?
5.
5 years old.
Yes.
Yeah, you must just go to the trials and just ask Coach Rulani there that you wanna play for his team. Just ask him.
Okay.
Yeah, look at that and say, Coach Rulani, I want to play for Sundowns.
Coach Rulani, I want to play for Sundowns.
Perfect. Thank you very much, boy. High five.